Hello world, I'm Jin-wen from Singapore and this is my CS50 final project. I've created a Telegram bot that allows users to find recipes they can cook using only the ingredients they have on hand. This is done using clever manipulation of the GET request to the API which I use for recipes. Let me show you how it works. So a simple search on Telegram will bring up the bot and we'll click start to launch it. The bot will respond with a menu of options from which I can choose what kind of recipe I want. So these are helpful options and there's a any inline button for any kind of recipe. So let's say I want to make a banana cake. So I'll click on low fat because I want a low fat banana cake and the bot will prompt me to enter in the ingredients I have. So banana cake contains bananas. So let's say I have a bunch of bananas at home. Oh dear, but there are no results found. So I can either press start to try again or press command help for help. So let me try asking for help. So this command help will bring up a list of tips which will help users to improve their search terms such that it will actually return some recipes rather than this no results found message. So because this bot only finds recipes that involve the ingredients that the user already has, the user will have to be very specific in listing out the ingredients that he has. So okay, let's try again. So I know that banana cakes contain bananas, eggs, flour, and butter. Okay, this is much better. So it actually returns a banana bread recipe that I may want to try out. So feel free to play around with my Telegram bot. You can find it on just a Telegram search, and if there are any problems you can bring up the help command and there is an inline keyboard button which will allow you to send me a message if something is wrong or if you have any suggestions for improvement. So this is it and this is my CS50. Thank you.